In this video, I will show you step by step how you can erase and restore your Mac to factory settings. So first of all, what we need to do is head to the top left hand corner, click on the Apple symbol, and then select System Settings. Once we select System Settings, you will need to go and select General. And then once we select General, if you scroll towards the bottom, you will see an option for Transfer or Reset. Click on this right here. That will then bring you to this page, and then what you want to do is select Erase All Content and Settings. Click on this. That will then bring you to this page where you want to now enter in your password. Once you enter in your password, just simply click on Unlock. That will then take you to the next stage, and then what you want to do is select Continue. Once you select Continue, what that will do is it will again ask you for your password to confirm that you want to erase all of the content on your Mac. And then once you enter your password again, that will then erase and restore your Mac to factory settings. So make sure you are 100% sure when you do this, because you will not be able to recover any of the content. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.